इधर एक कोनी इधर पलटी कर कोनी में मिक्स करें। बराबर था
You are seeing the heavy duty tableting machine. We have shown you all the four sides of the machine. Now on the extreme right and extreme left you are seeing the ejection cam which ejects the tablet. The center one where oil is written is the out center cam, where below here you see the tag pressure plus or minus. This is the hex bolt which if taken on the, if you move it on the right side, you see the minus sign to decrease the pressure, and if you take it to your left, it will increase the pressure. The pressure has always to be kept low when you start the tableting machine, and gradually it has to be increased seeing the hardness of the tablet. If you do it vice versa and keep the maximum pressure, then what will happen is your machine will get jammed and you will have to stop the machine, rotate the pulley by hand, release the pressure, and then again start the machine. So it is always advisable when you start a new product, you slowly increase the pressure by moving this bolt to the left side or to the right side. This is the pulley where two V-belts have been placed and they are linked to the motor. This is the flywheel where if the pressure is more on the machine and your machine gets jammed, you have to stop the motor, and there are two tom rods given. You have to lock in this wheel and move it so the pressure gets released. This is the hopper. And this is the feeder with spring which you are seeing. When you want to set the weight 80 grams, take the powder, weigh the powder 80 grams, then fill in the cavity, adjust the level, so then the weight approximately will come near 80 grams. You see what the technician is doing. He has filled that powder in the die cavity. He is adjusting the volume by moving the flywheel which is you are seeing.
और थोड़ा
By moving on the right side, you will get more weight. By moving on the left side, you will get less weight.
ठीक है.
The first tablet when you make should be made by hand without starting the motor. He is removing the lock for the pressure to be increased or decreased. Now he is increasing the pressure by moving the spanner to the left of his arm. Now he is compressing the tablet by hand. After increasing the pressure or decreasing the pressure, this Allen key bolt has to be locked properly so that while you are taking tablets, the pressure doesn't get disturbed.
अभी बाद में रनिंग में दे लेते ना. थोड़ा बस है.
You see the tablet has been formed and he is taking out the tablet. Initially when you are taking the trial, take out the hopper and feed this feeder by hand. If the trial is successful, then you can add the hopper and start the production.
ऊपर थोड़ा आना है.
When you want to fit the feeder to the clamps, you have to see that it is maximum towards yourself, then only it will get fit. The operator will now show you how to fit the feeder.
ले उधर पे चले.
You see the feeder clamp has been fitted to the feeder. He is filling the powder in the feeder